As indicated by the most recent long-haul figure, Dogecoin cost will hit $1 by the center of 2024 and afterward $0.2 toward the finish of 2027. Dogecoin will ascend to $3 inside the extended time of 2032. Dogecoin value forecast 2024-2025. Dogecoin cost began in 2024 at $8.98. Today, Dogecoin exchanged at $0.873, so the cost diminished by 3% from the outset of the year. The determined Dogecoin cost toward the finish of 2024 is $14,659 and the year-to-year change plus 85%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 90%. In 2024, we hope to see $1.261 per one Dogecoin. In the primary portion of 2025, the Dogecoin cost will move to $777. In the final part, the cost would lose $0.72 and close the year at $705, which is plus 95% to the ongoing cost. The gauge for later, close to days and months. Wednesday, Feb. $21.0876. Thursday, Feb. $22.0879. Friday, Feb. $23.0882. Saturday, Feb. $24.0885. Sunday, Feb. $25.0888. Monday, Feb. $26.891. Tuesday, Feb. $27.894. Wednesday, Feb. $28.897. Walk $15.944. April $15.1036. May $15.1125. June $15.1217. July $15.1293. August $15.1361. Dogecoin forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Dogecoin cost would move from $1.705 to $2,590, which is up 52%. Dogecoin will begin 2026 at $705, then at that point take off to $775 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $753. That implies plus 101% from today. Dogecoin forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Dogecoin cost would ascend from $25.90 to $25.81, which is plus 38%. Dogecoin will begin 2031 at $25.90, then take off to $608 inside the principal half of the year and finish 2031 at $755. It is about plus 216% from today. Dogecoin value forecast 2024-2025. Dogecoin cost began in 2024 at $8.98. Today, Dogecoin exchanged at $0.788, so the cost diminished by 12% from the very start of the year. The determined Dogecoin cost toward the finish of 2024 is $0.2318 and the year-to-year change plus 47%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 67%. In 2024, we hope to see $0.22 per one Dogecoin. In the primary portion of 2025, the Dogecoin cost will move to $411. In the final part, the cost would lose $0.57 and close the year at $7.354, which is plus 72% to the ongoing cost. Dogecoin forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Dogecoin cost would move from $1.354 to $1.55, which is up 52%. Dogecoin will begin 2026 at $1.354, then take off to $1.1409 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $1.391. That implies plus 77% from today. Dogecoin forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Dogecoin cost would ascend from $0.2055 to $0.1841, which is plus 38%. Dogecoin will begin 2031 at $0.55, then, at that point, take off to $0.69 inside the main portion of the year and finish 2031 at $1.2085. It is about plus 177% from today. 0.15204. Dogecoin value forecast 2024-2025. Dogecoin cost began in 2024 at $8.98. Today, Dogecoin exchanged at $7, so the cost diminished by 10% from the very start of the year. The determined Dogecoin cost toward the finish of 2024 is $1.13 and the year-to-year change plus 24%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 38%. In 2024, we hope to see $8.37 per one Dogecoin. In the principal half of 2025, the Dogecoin cost will move to $1.69. In the final part, the cost would add $seasonal and close the year at $1.69, which is plus 57% to the ongoing cost. Dogecoin forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Dogecoin cost would move from $1.1269 to $1.1401, which is up 10%. Dogecoin will begin 2026 at $1.1269, then dip to $1.1081 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $1.236. That implies plus 53% from today. Dogecoin forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Dogecoin cost would ascend from $1.1401 to $1.2000, which is plus 43%. Dogecoin will begin 2031 at $1.2401, then at that point take off to $1.1376 inside the main portion of the year and finish 2031 at $1.1453. It is about plus 80% from today. Zwanza 1224. Dogecoin value expectation 2024-2025. Dogecoin cost began in 2024 at $8.98. Today, Dogecoin exchanged at $8.92, so the cost diminished by 1% from the outset of the year. The anticipated Dogecoin cost toward the finish of 2024 is $368, and the year-to-year change plus 52%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 53%. In 2024, we hope to see $1.29 per one Dogecoin. In the main portion of 2025, the Dogecoin cost will move to $1.2437. In the last part, the cost would add $1.24 and close the year at $1.2561, which is plus 75% to the ongoing cost. Dogecoin expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Dogecoin cost would move from $0.18561 to $1.1724, which is up 10%. Dogecoin will begin 2026 at $1.2561, then, at that point, dip to $1.2452 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $1.2519. That implies plus 70% from today. Dogecoin forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Dogecoin cost would ascend from $0.18724 to $1.2461, which is plus 43%. Dogecoin will begin 2031 at $1.1724, then take off to $1.1693 inside the primary portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $1.1788. It is about plus 101% from today. 12,150,2023. Dogecoin value expectation 2023-2024. Dogecoin cost began in 2023 at $698. Today, Dogecoin exchanged at $963. So the